What hurts productivity in your home office? Do you feel as if your home office isn't productive as it could be? Or maybe you feel as if you are never able to get anything done. Either way, it might be time to evaluate the things that are hurting your productivity in your home office. Not having a door that closes. Space can be tight, and that is understandable. But you should do everything you can to have your home office somewhere behind a closed door. This means not on the couch, nor at the kitchen table. It's just too easy to get distracted or be disturbed by other parties when you don't have a door to help you focus on your work. And closing a door can help indicate to your mind that it is time to focus and work. Having electronic distractions. When you work from home, no boss tells you what you can and cannot have in your office. This is why you need to take the initiative and ensure that your home office is free from electronic distractions. There should be no TV, and if your phone is a distraction, that should be left outside of your office as well. Noise. One of the main problems with working from home is that there may be much more noise than working in an office setting or high-rise. You need to be very aware of how the noise in your home office affects your productivity. If there's too much general background noise, you may need to invest in a white noise machine or consider listening to calming music while you work to help you stay focused. Clutter. The final mistake that many people don't realize is affecting productivity in their home office is having a workspace filled with clutter. Clutter is not only distracting, but it also wastes valuable time when you need to find something for the project you are working on. It is in your best interest to keep your home office clean and organized so you can find everything when you need it. And this doesn't mean just your physical workspace, but your digital workspace as well. Overall, it could be any combination of the above things that hurts productivity in your home office. But if you work to remedy the above situations, you may find that your office will become a productive place to work.